Why automate your window blinds?
Automating window blinds is a simple way to make your home smarter, more comfortable, and energy efficient. With motorized blinds, you can control sunlight, privacy, and temperature at the tap of a button or on a preset schedule. It's a project you can tackle yourself with affordable devices, bringing modern convenience and style to any room.
The essential components you'll need.
To automate your blinds, you'll typically need a motor kit designed for window coverings, a smart home hub or compatible app, and a power source, either plug-in or battery-operated. Some kits work with standard blinds, while others require minor retrofitting. Many systems connect to Wi-Fi, letting you control blinds via smartphone, voice assistant, or automation routines.
How to install a blind motor kit.
Start by measuring your existing blinds to ensure compatibility with the motor kit. Remove the blinds and follow the kit's instructions to attach the motor or smart wand to the tilt rod or chain mechanism. Next, remount the blinds and connect the power source. Most kits include detailed diagrams and all necessary hardware for a straightforward setup.
Connecting to your smart home system.
Once your blinds are motorized, it's time to pair them with your smart home network. Download the manufacturer's app or add the device to your smart home hub. Follow on-screen instructions to calibrate up and down positions. You can now control blinds with your phone, voice commands, or by scheduling automatic adjustments for comfort and privacy.
Everyday benefits and next steps.
Automated blinds help regulate indoor temperature, shield furniture from sun damage, and boost home security by simulating activity when you're away. Explore advanced routines like adjusting blinds automatically at sunrise or sunset. With this easy upgrade, you can enjoy smart living and consider expanding automation to other areas of your home.